You become law lesson 8B now, where me just small half law. One where you may go through him finish about checking all information it clear good or it general too much. So you look law stamp lesson and me telling time you may talk about Jesus or teach him talk about God, or you may tell him any something about God. You may must tell him all information where it clear man sabi guess all about. So problem here now, suppose you may know clear one man by just add them up thinking him no more. Problem here now, suppose you may not tell him clear, say Jesus and me who, or you may not talk about God in one clear way. Now all man by make money, by only guess all about, by only use some thinking get to no more make him up one way only want to tell him. So is that yumi where you may teach him or get a make sure say every information where you may tell him it clear good, more it tell him exactly or detail where is straight blamani sabe kasem straight meaning plotoplo God or straight sabe say who ya Jesus, who ya God.
Tupla God they got our clear information where stable him. Pertain you may talk about Bible or talk about God and one. Blantipan, you may call him more information where a general to mass. Suppose you may make them all the same. Meaning blood talk blow you may no more clear now. Make him say, oh get the world you start listen. Might only walk him out one last thing way in no straight. From where talk blow you may no clear good. All this stuff guess. So all him had them up thinking will get a no more. Time only to remember walk him out one last thing.
Example where stop the book moment you got some another for example too. They have me say where all man all the time say God is good all the time God is good. Okay, me one him kind talk. Me one cover him up talk clear say in meaning one him. So good blow only talk about something else or group all get that. So you survey go back to lesson 5, remind more get that from you me touching something finish. Time you me reading Psalm 100. Psalm 30, where you tell him, oh, man, yeah, I got one last thing, man, we write him Psalm, but general, from he got all clear information where he stopped, plus support him last thing, yeah. So, I have me one example back again. Plus, show him say, time you me teach, and you must use him or talk where he clear good.